Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be pick randomly 3 winners of my March VIP Lounge giveaway. As you guys know, every month I give the opportunity to 3 of you to win my VIP Lounge subscription papers. You might think, oh, what is the VIP Lounge? It's a subscription I offer on my website when every month you get papers straight to your email address, and this paper have been designed specifically for the VIP members. You also get 30% discount across everything on my website forever and also you get a gift box letter. So this month we are already scary Mary on letter M. So let me show you what you could win, and then we're going to pick random 3 winners. For the month of March, we made a little change. I have asked my lovely VIP members if they will prefer a larger kit rather than 3 small kit, and the response has been quite outstanding. So pretty much 90% of my VIP members have asked a larger kit, because with a larger kit you can make entire journals, cards, embellishments, etc, etc. So there we go. So this month the inspiration comes from Peter Rabbit by Beatrix Potter. So this kit has been requested by the lovely Denise. Denise is one of my VIP members. She sent me an email and said, oh Antonio, can you create something inspired by Peter Rabbit? Of course, for copyright reason I can use any other images, so I have created my own one, of course with a little twist. I wanted to create something that it reminds the country life in a Victorian era, but with a bit of like vintage shabby motif background. I hope I'm making sense. So there we go, that's the result. So we got I think it's like 14 pages in total, so it's a very, very large kit, and it's a mixture of backgrounds, embellishment, pockets, tags, etc, etc. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna show you the papers one by one. So this is one of the background. So you got a lovely male rabbit and a lovely lady rabbit, and I played with different texture. All the color palette is the same, so it's a baby blue and a pink, pastel pink, very soft, very country. There are lots of like flowers and vegetables, etc. This is just a floral vintage background that you don't have to use with the collection, but you can use it because it's all blend together. This is a collage of 2 pages, so you can use the background pages for your journals, or you can cut them as used as a 2 entirety if you make like large cards, etc. Another background with the lovely male and female here, rabbits, and I have used like green and a bit of like purpley lavender colors. This is probably one of my favorite page. There's a lot of like vegetables and flowers. This reminded me of the Liberty. That's what's kind of the inspiration behind this page, like the Liberty from the 1920s style, when you've got all this glass they've been decorated. And then we got the lovely rabbits, a little duck inspired by the book. Again, I played with this geometric motif and create my own pattern. A lovely background. This is another favorite of mine. So we got some pink flowers and pink butterflies, again trying to recreate this geometrical motif. And there is a blue version with some daisies. Love, love, love that. Then we got some pockets for your journal, so that's the tabs that you fold it inside. So we've got 4 squares and a side pocket or like tuck. 3 large tags with rabbits and a little duck. Look how cute she is. Another page with some tags and some embellishment. I put here the ducks because you can do, if you cut them, the circles, and then you put on top, you can use them as a little tags, or they can be amazing paper clips. 2 envelopes and a large scallop envelope. Again, if you're into journal makings. some ephemera. So we got some vintage inspired postcards. Look at that, so cute. And then the last page with some embellishment. I cannot wait to use this. I love doilies. I love creating doilies. So yeah, I've got a project in mind for this. So this is the papers that you get. Also, as part of the VIP membership, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my digital papers, my ebook, my workshop, my classes, everything, you get 30%. And also we are carrying on with the alphabet gift box. So this month is the letter K. Okay, so you get an assembly video. It's a private video. I'll show you how to put this together. So you've got the letter K and all the side tabs that you put together. And then because I have some space here on the page, I just put some extra embellishments. You got 2 large circles. So one measure it. In fact, let me tell you in inches. 3 inches and one is 3.5 inches. So very large embellishment. And then again on the back, because I needed the K back to put on the back of the gift box, I have some space, so I'll give you an extra envelope and an extra embellishment. Let me show you what the letter K looks like when it's done up, and I'll show you all the letter that we've done in the past as well. And this is what the letter K looks like when it's all assembled and done up. Super, super pretty. Love it. Very, very simple. Very easy to put it up. So let me show you all the alphabet that we have so far. Letter A, we decorate with some flowers. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, J, what's J? F, G, H, I got it here. I love the letter I with the vintage chemistry. That's the easiest letter to put it up because it's just like a little rectangular gift box. F, G, H, I, that's letter J. And this is letter K. Little cute envelope, the large one, which was with the letter K. I simply put it all together and I use one of the circles to create a little closure like that. Of course, when you put things inside, you might want to enforce the closure, but this is super pretty and super cute. Okay guys, as usual, I always use pickawinner.co because it's a free website that give you winners from a YouTube particularly video. So I put the link of my video, I put search, and then the system excludes my reply. So that should be the comment. And then we are going to pick 3 winners. So winner number 1 is Claire Van Cott. This digital sewist, love these designs, just beautiful. I will make such a beautiful journal, have collecting different ephemera dealing with this theme. So yeah, congratulations Claire, winner number 1. Then winner number 2 is OT7927. So adorable. I will make a journal and cards with those beautiful prints. So congratulations. And winner number 3 is Manuela et Lebois 6195. Right, I don't do French, but I remember translate this when I was reading in comment. I've asked YouTube to translate it because there is a button that you play. So you press the button and then YouTube will automatically translate this in English. So this lady said that I think it was this bit here that she would she was very complimentary about my design, but also she said that she will make some journals and tags because she has a granddaughter. So I'm very, very happy that Manuela Etlebois have won as well. Okay guys, as usual, send me an email to antoniomakes.com and I will send you the 3 to the 3 winners of my digital papers and the gift box and also the discount code. Guys, thank you so much to every single one of you that always enter the monthly giveaway. As usual, there is another one coming next week to celebrate April. Yeah, keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. And thank you so much to all of you guys for your continuous love and support, because the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you. I am trying to gift to give something back to you guys for all you do for me. I'm gonna go because I'm waffling. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.